Hello, my name is Alec Carstoiu, and today I will be talking about the Sixth Amendment. What is the Sixth Amendment? Well, the Sixth Amendment is what protects people's rights after being accused of criminal activities. It allows those who have been criminally charged to be able to fend for themselves and have help as well. It allows the right for a speedy trial, a fair jury, an attorney, and for the defendants to question the witnesses who are accusing them of their crime. Now, what does this exactly mean? This means if you are wrongly accused of something, that you can't just be sentenced to jail right away. You can have a trial defending yourself if you have not done that. The best way I would describe the Sixth Amendment is by a common phrase that you've probably heard: innocent until proven guilty. That is honestly what it is trying to do. It's keeping you innocent until you're proven guilty. It gives you the right for a speedy trial, a fair jury, and I would say the best way that this comes up in current events in history is it's being violated. I would call this the Forgotten Amendment, to be completely honest, because I feel like this amendment is so many times violated because people just assume that this person is guilty when they hear about his act, when they don't even know the person. A great example is back in history, African Americans were violated of this right because it gives you the right of a fair jury, but they had a bunch of racist white men as their jury to decide whether if they were to live or to die, and that's not fair because they were in a lot of cases they were clearly innocent and just being blamed. A more current event version of this is the Bradley Manning case. And so basically there was this soldier and his name was Bradley Manning. He was charged and arrested for leaking 250 private documents. These were private military documents. And he had been in jail for 845 days, and he was still without a trial. His attorney was of course furious and called the court out for violating the Sixth Amendment. He had been in jail for 983 days until he finally got a trial. This obviously isn't a speedy trial, and that violated his right for a speedy trial. And this happens in so many court cases today. The Forgotten Amendment, a poem by Alec Carstoiu. I am the one that nobody sees. People violate me and don't take me seriously. But I am the backbone of your rights. Without me, you would be immediately assumed guilty. You would not be able to stand up for yourself in your time of need, and would be judged by those filled with greed. I give you a speedy trial and a fair jury too. I protect you from what you are accused of, and I always stick by the phrase that describes me best: innocent until proven guilty.